Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the KOHLER's multi-function hand shower brush that nickel finish. So yeah, I purchased 3 of this. Previously, I purchased 3 of the similar magnetic shower head, but unfortunately, it was a faulty design. There's like a button here. It depends on the water flow, and then if it's strong enough so it can select. But somehow, all 3 of my shower heads is not working by pressing that button down. So I'm not sure it's design flaws or anything like that. But anyway, hopefully I can return the other 301 that I have. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this and check it out. So I purchased 3 of this. So 1, 2, 3. That is the article number of the UPC code. So yeah, the reason I like this one because this one has a power sweep. It's had like almost like a jet stream right here on the top, and it is magnetic docking, easy to clean, spray face, and easy to install, compatible. They have 6 settings. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all the kit that come with it. It says lifetime warranty. So they come with a little of this Teflon tape. Right here is the instruction manual. Should be very simple to install. So yeah, you press this button, so it's almost like a jet stream right here. You can spray the water if you need to clean the shower or the shower tub. And this is the hose. So I'm going to install this on the yeah, they say you might want to put the Teflon tape right there in case it's dripping or anything like that. So you want to put it right here. So let's go and then do the installation. So yeah, this is the same magnetic shower head that I got it from Costco. It's the same brand, KOHLER. And when you press this button, it doesn't work to change a different mode. Let's see. See? It doesn't work. It's a bad design. So I'm going to unscrew this part right here. Okay. And then now I'm going to unscrew this. I'm going to put the Teflon tape on the connector right there. Alright, so I put the Teflon tape right there. I'm going to screw this in. Should do it slow, so we don't cross thread it. Adjust this. I'm gonna put a new hose line. Okay, I'm gonna do some tests. Wow. And this one you gotta rotate from here in order to change the mode. Wow. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.